Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking.
What's cooking, good looking?
See, even from the living room. So mirepoix, most famous thing, Trader Joe's, already prepared. We don't have to slice, we don't have to dice. Love it. Stick of butter. Get that jamming in the saute. So to that, we're gonna take some pepper. We're gonna add some of this delicious salt that Chef Deborah turned me on to. I'm actually gonna put it in my hand and sort of make it. Oh, by the way, I didn't brush the back of my hair today. Hopefully it doesn't look bad. I haven't even looked at it. Anyway, it is what it is. We're gonna dice up using our awesome Cutco knife. And we're just gonna rock some jalapeno peppers. Right. Oh my goodness, the other day, I washed my hands after cutting jalapenos, but I must not have gotten all the oil out, and I washed my face at night, and my eyes were on fire burning. Oh, it was horrible. How many people do the 7 fishes for Christmas Eve? If you do the 7 fishes, make sure to go to Tunaville, Tuna Harbor, see Tommy Gomes. Go to the Chula Vista or Chula Seafood, which is in Point Loma. Go to just down at the pier where they're selling lobster and all kinds of great seafoods. And did you see my cup? I love this cup. Sean from Junction 101 left that at my door. So I did not purchase it for myself. I did get my niece one though. Okay. Mirepoix always reminds me of the holidays. Doesn't it, Philip?
I don't know what it reminds you of.
I don't know why there's a weird long stem in there.
Let's just
Little
say you
party
can't buy
foul.
it except by the holidays.
You what?
You can't buy it except by the
I
holidays.
know, which is a bummer. Over here we have sausage and peppers, and these are brewing for the 4S Ranch North Pole, Coldwell Banker West new office. We're having a little potluck. So we want this to get soft before we put the corn in. Got the trusty dusty blender, which we're going to blend and puree things. And the heavy cream, frozen sweet corn. I have fresh parsley, but I'm also going to put some dry parsley in and some crushed red pepper. Ooh, do I smell like smoky peppers? Yeah, not really. Not the best way to smell to go to a holiday party later. Ugh, and I just showered. I'm looking to see who's on Instagram, but if it's Valerie from Chateau Bellage, which I'm wearing Chateau Bellage right here, I was just giving you a shout out to help support small business owners. Okay, here are those little peppers we discussed that I just charred. So we're gonna dice these little guys up. Nobody told me to take the seeds out, so I'm not taking the seeds out. If I'm supposed to, somebody yell at me. I'm gonna cut them up. Remember, this is all going in the blender. This polka dot dress that I got from Chateau Bellage kind of became my inside house dress. It's sort of like instead of wearing sweats around the house, I wear a long maxi dress, and it's cozy and comfy. Okay, that I'll take out. Kind of a lot to take in at this hour of the morning, the smells. All right, 3 more. These came out really nice, Philip. Yeah. Nicely charred. I was gonna do them on the stove, but it just wasn't working. Today's Vivica's birthday, so happy birthday to our Vivica who moved here from Westport, Connecticut. She too is a realtor, but she's retired, or at least trying to be retired and having the time of her life. She was a foreign exchange student over 50 years ago from Sweden, kind of like Calvin, our foreign exchange student from New Zealand.
He too over 50 years ago.
Ha, yeah, right? He just had a birthday. Vivica is having a birthday. BJ just had a birthday. Okay. I don't really have a recipe for this fandangled scenario. So hopefully, maybe I should stir this up. Oh, yeah.
All the important men in your life have birthdays in December.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
Huh. Who would think? All right. Gonna get our Cutco. I almost poked my eye out. Cutco, that would be funny. Not funny, haha. Our Cutco scissors out. Okey-doke.
Right off the top.
Huh?
Right off the top.
It's off of somebody's cob at some point, right? Some corn.
That's fresh.
It's just a little bit tricky finding fresh corn at this late in the year. All right, so with this, I am a very, very neat cooker. I hate making a mess. Gotta grab something. Huh. Well, it's gonna be vegetable stock. Chicken stock's out in the garage pantry and I'm not going out to get it, so this will be fine. I'm gonna put a whole container in. I know, thank you though. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the lid on this. Put these poblanos in there. All right, stir it up. Does it smell delicious? It sure does. Okay, put this little guy on simmer. All right, that's it. So it'll sit there, cook for a while, then I'll put it in the blender in batches and make sure you never put anything in the blender super, super hot. And then take the lid off because it will explode. Not that I know that from personal catastrophes that have happened, but it will definitely happen.